I am Saranya Narayanan. I am from Kerala. I recently got graduated with B.Tech degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from NSS College of Engineering this year. One of my senior, Akshay Mohan, he referred me to join IIES. He also got placed from here to Amakosha Technologies with a package of 6 LPA. So I joined here in July and I had opportunity to study many different programming languages including C, C++, data structure and basic electronics, and also hardware knowledge provided with practical experience on different controllers. And I started applying for companies offered by the placement cell in the 4th month, and by 5th month I got placed in VVDN Technologies, Kochi, with a package of 4 LPA. I would like to thank the entire IIES team for their support, and I highly recommend students to join IIES. Thank you.